Half an hour, and now I'm marinating the chicken for half an hour. All right, done. Got a call from my husband and he said that, oh, I'm going to invite some friends over. We want to watch a football match. And I'm like, what? I don't have anything to cook. And so I came up with this recipe. I had some chicken wings. I just marinate it quickly and we've got this chicken wings for the football match. Today I'm going to teach you how to make honey lemon chicken wings. We're going to marinate the chicken wings with 1 tablespoon of honey, then a little bit of teriyaki sauce, and then a little bit of sesame seed. Squeeze in half a lemon, salt, and fresh chopped coriander. You mix them all up. Marinate your chicken. Now if you're serving the adults, why don't you add in some white wine? I think this will give a nice taste in the chicken as well. The most simplest recipe. You can add in some pepper for a little spice. So this chicken has a sweet and a little sour taste because of the lemon. I'm just going to add in a little bit more of sesame seed. I love the chicken with some nutty taste as well. That's it. This is how we marinate the chicken. Leave it for half an hour. And now I'm going to saute the chicken in a pan. Like I say, you can do it in many ways, but make sure you marinate for at least half an hour. You want to make something very quick, you can always have this chicken wings marinated in the fridge, bake it or saute it anytime. Halfway through, you just turn it around. I have some extra sauce here. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to pour it over. Today's hack is, don't be in a hurry to cook. You want the sauce to infuse into the chicken wings itself. It's done. See how beautiful it is? So I'm going to dish it out. Just place it onto a plate. And this is definitely something good when you have the guys over for football. And there you go. This is honey lemon chicken wings. Fast and easy way to cook for your family and loved ones. Give us a like and look forward for more recipes.